Hello everyone, myself Priyabrata and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, it is going to be a very quick video. मैंने ये वीडियो इसलिए बनाई है just because I am getting many requirements or queries regarding data science that whether we should start our career in data science. Is it going to be helpful or are we going to get job in this specific field if we are doing any course in data science? Because like recently we have launched the data science related courses in AI ML, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and data analytics, Python, SQL, etc. Right, you might have already seen one video or the previous video regarding the data science master class, right, where you can learn online from us. It can be one-to-one session as well. If you're interested, then the link is there in the description of this video to enroll yourself into this specific course. So it will be like 100 days of course where you can learn data science from the scratch. It doesn't matter whether you have any prior experience in data science or coding in SQL or Python, because like from here we'll be teaching you from the scratch. You'll be doing the hands-ons as well as the many projects. Like there will be 7 to 8 projects you'll be doing, and it can be single or individual project as well as the group project. And also after that you'll be getting the course completion certificate, and there it will be clearly mentioned that you have done the course under us with live projects, right? So if you're interested, for more details you can reach out to us by filling the Google form. Someone will reach out to you to discuss further. So anyways, so today in this video we'll be discussing the reality of data science in 2025. So what is the reality? So should we start our career in this specific field, and how it is going to help us if we are choosing this path, if I am a fresher or if I don't have any prior experience in this specific field, because like I have received a number of queries regarding this. So in this video everything will be clear. Once you watch this video, definitely all your questions or the queries will be answered in this specific video. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe to us for more updates regarding data science or any other technology. And also we upload the videos regarding various latest off-campus and the on-campus, etc. Right, how to crack the off-campus drives or the on-campus if you are a fresher or if you are an experienced guy or candidate, right? So let's get started. So everyone wants to build their career in data science. Why? This because like the salary is high, and also it has huge demand. Why? Everything is being data driven, right? So we are having various chat GPT, many other things are there to automate the things, or many AI related projects are there. For example, Netflix, Amazon, Mintra, Flipkart, YouTube, and Amazon Prime, etc. So many OTT and the shopping platforms, like everywhere AI is being implemented. And also nowadays recommender system is there, or collaborating filtering, etc. is there to recommend or suggest something. So now every day it is being evolved, and every day you might be seeing some news that this new technology has been evolved, for example chat GPT. So you just need to enter something, the answer will be there in front of you. So you no need to write something, everything will be there. I mean, no need to provide any more information. When just one click is needed, like just open your browser, search for something in chat GPT, and you can get the answer. So AI is evolving like drastically. So everyone wants to build their career in this data science. So is it going to very challenging if you are doing that transition? So first of all, I have seen that many people are asking me that if I am going to change my career from non-IT to data science, or if I am a fresher and I don't have any prior experience in data science, is it going to be worthy if I am doing the transition, or I am learning something? Will I get a job in this specific field? If this is the question, then I'll tell you one thing. Just forget about data science. So if you are asking me about you are working as a suppose software developer, and you want to learn something. For example, you are a backend developer and you want to be a front-end developer, or you want to be a full stack developer, and you are doing some courses. So what we usually do, we learn something, then do some live projects in order to have some hands-on idea or the knowledge, then we start applying for the various positions related to the specific profile or relevant positions you try to look for, right? So similarly in data science as well. So first of all, the key thing, or your goal should be to learn something. So once you start learning the thing about data science, or you can say Python with data science with Python, or SQL for analytics, or machine learning, or the deep learning, or NLP, then some knowledge you will gain, and also you will be doing the project. Once you know something, or once you have like acquired some hands-on experience, or you have done some internships, etc., or intern position if you have been through, then you gain some knowledge or the hands-on experience. Then you can showcase your experience or the knowledge or the expertise to the HRs or the recruiters, right, in order to get a job in the specific field. Now coming to the this would be your main goal, or this would be the first goal, to learn something, because like whenever you are learning some technology, your like temporary goal should be to learn something, because like once you start learning, you will get that much of clarity and the confidence that yes, this in this field, if I am getting something to do, I can do it because I have knowledge, expertise. First of all, you need to gain the confidence that yeah, I can do this thing. The first goal is to learn something. Okay, the second thing is about the main query that people already have asked me, that whether I'm going to get a job in this field. So I in order to answer this, I have one query, or the question to you as well. So if you are seeing that this technology or the field is evolving every day, then definitely someone needs to handle the project, right? Suppose 10 companies has 10 companies have newly started implementing data science or the AI in their recent, I mean, upcoming projects, right? Then definitely they need some resources to handle this project, or to develop the project, or to do the integration. So if they need people, then definitely they are going to hire someone. It doesn't matter whether they have experience or they don't have experience, but they need resources, right? So I'll be coming to whether as a fresher or as a person who has no experience will get a chance or not. So later I'll come to that part. But if you're asking me that whether like the my first point over here, or first query to you is if I am going if the companies has like more requirement, right, or they're going to build new projects in this specific field or related to this specific field, definitely they are going to need more resources, right? So first thing is clear that there will be more requirements in this specific field, right, if these things are going to implement. So now you may ask me, how can you be so sure that they will be having requirements, right? So I'll tell you one thing. At the very beginning, the big companies like Deloitte, Accenture, and IBM started implementing these things, AI or the AI related project. They started working earlier, like in 2019 or 2020, right? So and the companies, this is about the consultancy companies, right? Not the product based companies, right, or the service based company I am talking about. So then TCS started implementing all these things, because like if you already might have heard about like TCS Ion and other roles like digital profile and all. For digital and other profiles, they started hiring people those who know IIT and ML basics, if they know basics of ML and all, like data science and all, right? Then after that, the companies like Infosys, Wipro, and other companies like Tech Mahindra and all like started hiring for the specific profile, right? And nowadays if you see TCS and other companies, like those who do mass hiring nowadays, they are getting more projects related to data science and all, like analytics, etc. Because like I have been in TCS and I have seen how TCS or other companies has evolved day by day, or how requirement has been changed for data science related field. So nowadays, like they are mainly focusing on the people those who know the latest technology or the trends. So that's why I'm saying day by day the requirement is increasing. So now coming to the point, or the third point that I wanted to discuss, or you might have the question over here is that as a person who has no experience, or who has done the certification only, or who has done the projects by himself or herself, is that person going to get chance in this specific field or to build their career? I'll say yes. Why? Because like see, like just for example, there are 1,000 people we have who are trained in this specific field, right? Earlier what was happening, we had 10 requirements or 50 or let's say 100 requirements for 1,000 people. We have 100 requirement where we need 100 people out of 1,000 people, right? And then the situation was who has good experience or who knows or fulfills the requirement, that people will be getting the opportunity to get the job. But day by day, day by day, day by day, and now the situation is what, now the thing has been reversed. Like we have 10,000 requirement, like we need 10,000 people for various companies or the roles, etc. But now we have resources, let's say 5,000 or close to 10,000. That means everyone will get equal opportunity. So for example, I am a company, I am looking for the person who has 3 to 4 years of experience in this specific field, right? Or even for example 2 to 3 years of experience, and I am looking for a person, okay, 2 to 3 years, and for this specific profile I started hiring or looking for the experienced people, right? Just understand, so how the things work in the back end, I'll tell you the scenario. So you have the 2 years of experience, okay, in this specific field, but your requirement, I mean your expectation is high. For example, you are expecting salary more than I can offer, and also you have more notice period, or you have some requirements or skills that closely does not match with my requirement, but you have some kind of like experience and your salary is high. So if I am not able to fulfill the as a recruiter, if I am not able to pay you that much, or if I am not able to wait that much, like for example the notice period thing is also there. So many factors come to into the picture when we start hiring for the roles, right? Not only the experience, right? Many things actually matters. So we cannot wait more, because like your notice period is 2 to 3 months, because nowadays if you see minimum 2 to 3 years of months of notice period is there. And there is another person who is fresher and who has completed some certifications, and also he is looking for a profile, job, and he's ready to accept the offer if I am paying like less than what is my budget. Like for example, I am ready to pay 10 LPA for this profile, but you don't have any prior experience and you are ready to do the job with 5 LPA only. So at that point, like what we can do as HR, we can hire 2 people who has 0 years of experience or little bit of experience, relevant experience, and we can hire some people, another person who has little bit experience, real time experience, let's say 1 year of experience, and who is whose requirement or expectation is 7 LPA. That means 12 LPA I need to pay for 2 students or the candidates, like 2 LPA extra, like 2 lakh I need to pay extra. But in this process I am getting 2 resources, so that like I can do the job, one can be trained and parallelly another person can start working because he has some little bit experience, right? So I'll be hiring 2 resources. So that's why I'm saying, like there are many factors, not only the experience level, there are so many factors are there, like this is the behind the screen, okay? So there are many factors involved. Don't think that if you are doing the courses you may not get the job. So first start learning, because like the knowledge is not waste. Like some, if you are getting some knowledge, it will not be going somewhere else if you are not utilizing, or if you are not getting the job. So gaining the knowledge is a very good thing. You can always focus the companies, like for example, if today you are not getting the job immediately, then after 1 month or 1.5 month you can get a job. But if suddenly someone is coming to hire you and you don't know anything, then that time it will be an issue, right? So it's a request, don't think much, just start learning all these things. Once you start learning all these things, you'll feel confident, you will know your potential, then you can start applying for the companies. And definitely, like I can give you 100% assurance that you can get a job in this specific field if you are trying really hard. Just don't think that from the very beginning, let's not decide that you will not get a job in this specific field if you are learning something, right? So just first do your job, like first take the first step, then go to the next step. Because like whenever we are doing something, whatever is the first step, we need to do that. Okay, we cannot jump to the final step or conclusion without following the steps, right? So this is the basic. So first you need to do all these things, then only you can get a job. And if you are not able to get the dream job, at least you can get a job which is close to your requirement. For example, if you wanted to be a ML developer, only ML developer, but the requirement is data scientist or Python developer with for data science, I mean Python with analytics, right? So you can go for this specific profile, and you can keep looking for this specific role like machine learning developer, and you can do the switch. But at least you can get a job which is close to this specific profile. Just three things keep in your mind. First is learning, and they're having, and that there are actually many requirements are there. They need resources. In that matter whether you have experience or not, you don't have any experience, there are companies who hire for the freshers. So if you want me to explain about the companies, or list down the company's name for you, those who hire the freshers or those who have no experience in this specific field, I can do that for you. So in the next video I'll be discussing if you want this thing. So please let me know in the comment section below that this is the your requirement, I'll be making a video for you. So I hope this video was clear to you. So please let me know if you have any doubt or the queries regarding this thing. So thank you for watching guys, have a good day.